Our platform provides our clients with unsecured or personal cash loans, otherwise known as signature loans. Time is money for both of us, right? We deposit cash directly into your personal bank account, typically within 5 to 7 business days after all of your documentation is received for processing. These loans are primarily based on your personal income or cash flow and your personal credit. Currently, we are accepting applicants who are W-2 employees, self-employed, applicants with disability income, annuity income, or retirement income. All applicants must be under the age of 72 years old. This age restriction is in place to avoid elder financial abuse. The minimum qualifications are, well, pretty straightforward. Minimum loan is $10,000. Maximum loan is $400,000. Minimum 650 credit score. No more than 6 inquiries in the last 6 months. No new lines of credit or revolving accounts in the last 6 months. So, just to be clear, there should be no late payments, collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, evictions, or repossessions. Basically, nothing that would be considered derogatory within a 2-year time frame. Also, you need to have been at the same job for at least 6 months, with a full year of continuous work history in W-2 employment. And yeah, your annual income should be at least $27,000. Now, if you're self-employed, you'll need to show 2 years of provable income, like tax statements, with a net income, so, after write-offs, of $27,000 or more. And ideally, you shouldn't be using more than 60% of your total available credit for the last 3 months. Any bankruptcies must have been discharged 2 or more years ago. And just so you know, you need to be 72 years of age or younger. So, here's the deal. Each loan comes with either a 3, 5, or 7-year amortization schedule, which is just a fancy way of saying repayment term. And honestly, there's no prepayment penalty and 0 out-of-pocket expenses. Interest rates? They start as low as 5%, which is pretty competitive. There are no application fees, but there is a one-time, tax-deductible 15% success fee that gets rolled right into your loan amount. If you're applying for funding for one of our mentorship programs, that success fee is 18%. We actually have a variety of mentorship programs to meet the different needs of our applicants, like Done For You Fix and Flip, Done For You Airbnb funding for real estate investing, Turo, and more. So a success fee is pretty common in our industry, and it actually lets us cover your underwriting services, loan broker fees, and, the work of our 3 full-time on-staff attorneys who are negotiating each file to get you the best rate and terms for your personal profile. Our service fee is only paid after the loan proceeds are deposited into your bank account, which is pretty reassuring. It's a good idea to apply for a loan amount that would net you the funding you want after your expenses. Oh, and by the way, the success fee is tax deductible and you'll get a 1099 from each lender. By using our proprietary software, we're able to get, on average, up to 80% more funding proceeds than most applicants can get on their own, even from the exact same institutions. Your funding source could be a bank or another personal loan company. We actually work with over 250 banks, financial institutions, and high net worth individuals, and honestly, a lot of them are our exclusive partners. We perform this process called capital stacking to help you reach your funding goals. Basically, we work with a pool of multiple lenders on each client file. Here's how it works. Each individual lender will fund up to a maximum of $100,000, and our combined funding maximum is $400,000. Sometimes, we'll send a client through multiple rounds of funding to get to the total amount that was requested. For example, we might use up to 4 different lenders in round 1. Once you finish round 1 of the funding process, if you need more capital, we can move on to round 2, then 3, and so on, until you reach your desired funding amount. But hey, that's not to say we won't hit your goal in round 1. Every client's situation, credit score, income, debt, and circumstances are different. Go ahead and sign up at the link below to get your no-obligation pre-approved personal loan of up to $400,000 within 3 days. And don't forget to press like and subscribe so you get further updates sent right to your inbox.